Are you struggling to navigate between tabs in your React navigation setup? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle how to navigate to another tab and reset the stack at the same time. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to switch tabs and reset the stack, but it just doesn't work as expected. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to navigate from one stack navigator to another within a tab navigator while also resetting the stack. They provided their navigator setup, which makes this a common scenario for many apps. So, what's the issue here? The user is currently able to navigate to screen 3 using a simple command, but they want to ensure that when they do this, the stack for tab 2 is reset. This is important for maintaining the correct navigation state. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to navigate and reset your stack, but also have a pro tip that will enhance your navigation experience. To navigate to screen 3 and reset the tab 2 stack, the user should first create a reset action using the navigation actions. This action will reset the navigation state of tab 2. Next, the user needs to dispatch this reset action using the navigation prop. This will ensure that when they navigate to screen 3, the tab 2 stack is reset. Additionally, the user should ensure that the key used in the reset action matches the key of the tab 2 navigator. This is crucial for the reset to work properly. Finally, the user can test the navigation flow. They should navigate to screen 3 and confirm that the tab 2 stack has been reset as expected. Fun fact, did you know that React Navigation is one of the most popular libraries for navigation in React Native apps? It's powerful, but it can be a bit complex at times. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the Navigate API with an action to reset the stack without additional navigation calls. They propose a function called Navigate with Reset that takes a route name as an argument. For more details, a working example can be found at the provided snack link. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using navigation service to reset the stack and navigate to screen 3. They suggest resetting the navigation state with a specific configuration. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests first navigating to the desired tab and then resetting the stack to the specific screen. They recommend using the Navigate method to go to tab 2, followed by a reset action to navigate to screen 3. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to navigate after dispatching your reset action. They recommend first dispatching the reset action to reset the tab 2 stack, and then using the Navigate function to go to screen 3. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves resetting the stack and navigating to the desired tab. They suggest using stack actions to reset the current tab to its initial route, followed by navigating to the target tab. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure that your navigation state is clear before navigating to a new screen. This can save you from unexpected behavior in your app. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate to screen 3 and reset the stack for tab 2. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on React navigation.